Once we pass through the 786 line here, the next bottom is significantly higher. It sat at $160 when the previous 786 line was $17.79. Bitcoin did not cross below it ever again. As of today, Bitcoin has officially started the breakout that may truly begin parabolic moves to the upside. The bull market has begun. We have broken $53,000 and are easily on our way up at this point to $60,000. I think we're going to see this over the next couple of days. I'm going to tell you exactly why that is. And more importantly, I do not think Bitcoin will ever break below $50,000 again. Let me show you why. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. As of today, we are 138 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. We post these trades on our trade setups page whenever we see the perfect signals line up, and in doing so, we also keep rigorous risk management. Here, Avalanche was the last trade to win, called out on February 20th and won yesterday, February 26th. Congratulations to anyone that took the Avalanche trade. Second and last announcement today, brand new future forecast from the founder of Trade Confident himself. He is going all in. Bitcoin anticipated to hit 100K before the halving event. Just bought $20,800 worth of crypto based on this data. This is huge. Based on yesterday's bullish candle, we have officially broken through all mid-cycle top data, which from historical analysis says the parabolic cycle is now underway. This cycle is showing signs that will be faster, stronger, and shorter than all the other cycles. Do you know what this means? You're going to want to find out in this video. I was talking to Travis this morning, and he told me this may be one of the most valuable videos he's created for our members. If you want to access it, links to our membership are in the description down below. More on that later, but for now, let's jump into the analysis. At its top today, Bitcoin tested $57,400. Absolutely insane. Parabolic moves have been underway, and surprisingly, whale money is not honestly that high. We still have plenty of room to move up. Whale money is moving into the market, and as that happens, we should see moves to the upside. Once again, I'm anticipating at least $60,000, if not more, and I'll go into further targets later in this video, so stay tuned. Trades in favor is moving up. As we top out, I want to see trades in favor high. I want to see price versus whale money flow high, and ideally a sell signal should result in a drop to the downside. But as previously said, I do not think we're going to drop below $50,000 again because of what just happened today. So we're going to delete $45,000. We're going to set this one right here at $50,000. And this is our new structure support for the rest of the bull market. This is the one to beat. I do not think Bitcoin will ever drop below this level, and I'm going to show you why, once again, a little bit later in this video, so stay tuned for that. Just one more thing I want to say. I know we've been really bearish for quite some time now. We've been calling drops at a lot of crucial resistance levels. At those points, we've seen tons and tons of short trade volume liquidated by whales, pushing the price upwards. At this point, we've concluded this is due to the fact that ETFs are buying any tiny dips that happen. And even then, they're just buying and buying and buying Bitcoin every single day. It is insane. And on top of the buying pressure from institutions, this is also creating scarcity amongst retail traders, further pushing the price up. I think this has been the catalyst that has pushed the price up multiple times. We have gotten some pretty decent bearish calls, but it has not dropped nearly as much as previously expected based on historical data. This is why we've switched sentiments. We are switching completely bullish. Trade Confident is just about all in with less than 2% in cash on the sidelines. We still want to buy any sort of dips that happen, but the vast majority of our money is in the market. I just wanted to go over that really quick. I know people are going to be talking about that in the comments, so I wanted to address it. Of course, we will be there for you in the comments as well, so I'll see you there. But for now, let's jump into the analysis here, talking about Bitcoin. We're going to maximize this chart, make the TC top and bottom finder go away, switch to the monthly time frame. And here, what you're seeing is the entire history of Bitcoin itself. And each of these yellow lines represents a halving event. These are the past 3. And what you're going to notice is after the top, we see a move all the way to the bottom. And just before the halving event happens, we see a top at the 786 retracement line before the next parabolic moves up. Same thing right here. From the top to the bottom, we bring our retracement. moves up to the 786 line, drops a little bit, and then absolutely pumps from the top to the next bottom. We touch that 786 line, drop like crazy parabolic moves up, and it's just happened again. But what's interesting here, we did not get that same drop. This is where this halving cycle is different. From the top to the bottom, we got a test of the 786 line on this candle. We did see a little bit of a drop, but honestly, it closed at just about the same level as it opened. And since then, we have absolutely pumped above that. Now, historically, once you cross that line, you never cross below it again. Check this out. We're going to go all the way back to the beginning. Once we pass through the 786 line here, the next bottom is significantly higher. It sat at $160 when the previous 786 line was $17.79. Bitcoin did not cross below it ever again. The next 786 line sat at $783. That's on, I like that. 786, 783. Pretty interesting there. But the point is, Bitcoin never dropped below that level again. The next bottom sat at $3,107. Next up, right here, this is the closest it ever got. 786 line sat at $13,500. And the next bottom down here sat at $15,542. Now we've officially passed through the 786 line, which currently sits at $50,000. We are very likely never going to drop below $50,000 again. I know this is a bold claim. This is what historical data tells us. We have switched towards bullish sentiment. I do not think we're going to cross below this point again. On the weekly time frame, you're going to see an actual breakout. The last candle that posted here, let me zoom in again. The last candle that posted opened and closed above that 786 line, indicating an official breakout on the 1 week time frame. And despite the fact that we retested that 786 line, it is now a significant support structure. Once again, that may never be broken again. So we have our support structure. It now sits at $50,000. And because we completely shattered our previous predictions, we shattered previous points where we should have rejected, it's unlikely we'll ever drop below that again. Let's talk our next resistance structures. We're going to have to scroll all the way back in Bitcoin's history at this point. Significant moves back here. The next resistance, of course, sits at $60,000. This is the next quote-unquote mythic level that we are testing. This has really strong selling pressure. We had multiple touches at this level. We did get a couple of breakouts, but after that, after we broke out, we got the previous all-time high of Bitcoin sitting at about $69,000. But from the current price, the next move up is going to be about $64,899. Just using whole numbers theory, I'm going to change this up to $65,000. I know this is going to be frustrating for a lot of people. I know we've been expecting really big moves down. At this point, we are bullish. We do not expect the price to drop below $50,000 again. And in order to call the next top before a small little drop, we're not expecting anything big, but just a small retracement for the next move up. Very normal for that to happen. You're going to see higher lows and higher highs pretty consistently throughout the recent Bitcoin history. As the price moves up and touches $60,000, we're going to look at the whale money flow. If whale money continues moving into the market, a breakout to $65,000 is likely. In order to see a rejection of that resistance, we need to see price versus whale money flow high, we need to see trades in favor high, and we need to see a sell signal, just as we did back here. Price versus whale money flow, trades in favor high, sell signal saw a move down before the next move up. Price versus whale money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal saw a small move down to structure support before it broke that resistance again. If we get that at this resistance at $60,000, I think we're going to drop down to $53,000 before the next move up to create a new higher low before moving all the way up to that $65,000 level. If we test this resistance and whale money is still low and trades in favor is still low, we may actually just break straight through, as we have previously with other resistances, to $65,000. Either way, $65,000 is coming soon and we need to get ready for it. From the current price, we are looking for a move up of about 14% on Bitcoin. Major moves are incoming and we need to watch for them carefully. Now, as this plays out, you need to snag these indicators as soon as possible in order to help call the next moves up so you can reinvest, take whatever profits you need to take, and keep the money flowing in the market. As of yesterday, Trade Confident is 138 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades using rigorous risk management and these exact signals. And with that in mind, I want to help you get these indicators for $550 off. Check this out. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and hear me out here. You're going to want to snag a membership first, and that is because you actually get significant discounts with the membership. You get exclusive indicator codes on top of those future forecast videos, brand new one out today. You don't want to miss it. All trade setups, Zoom coaching every single month, metrics across all 20 coins, and more. All this for $59 a month with price increases to $65 a month coming April 20th. Don't miss out on this discounted price. Click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and from there, you're going to hit the indicator link. It's going to be the second one. Go ahead and scroll down. The Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. But first, access the member discount code here, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in that future forecast video. Don't miss out.